everybody! Welcome back to another episode of Chumsky Bear Education! Wow, Chumsky! I like what you did with the place here. Everything is red. What do you want to learn about today? The color red? No? Some letters? I see you only have your red letters out today. So just red? What, still no? What about opening up a red chocolate egg? Oh, you do kind of want to do that, but I don't think we're doing that either. So what's going on? I'm sorry, I didn't see that. You wrote it out in two places. You want to learn about Mars. Very nice. Oh, I like how you wrote it out there. What is that? Oh, that's a cool magnet game. You actually pull the magnets out and you can draw pictures or spell something. Very cool. Well, Mars is known as the red planet. That's right. Do you know why it's called the red planet? Yep, when you actually look at when you look at Mars through a telescope, it actually looks red. Well, that's because the rocks and dirt that are on Mars have a mineral in it that actually makes it look red. Isn't that interesting? And that's why it's called the red planet. Okay, now I get it. I get the red theme, Chumsky. Well, also, some other interesting facts about Mars, if that's what you want to learn about, is that it's the fourth planet from the sun, which means it is right after Earth. That's right. Has anyone ever been to Mars yet? No one's been there yet, but there are a lot of people planning and building rocket ships to actually go on a mission to Mars with people. Wouldn't that be cool? That's right. Now, we haven't been to Mars, people haven't, but did you know we actually have some machines that have been to Mars? Isn't that cool? Yeah, we have some spacecraft that are orbiting Mars and taking pictures for us. And we actually landed some machinery on the planet. Yep, something called the Mars Rover. Yeah, doesn't it look cool, the Mars Rover? What it actually does is drive around Mars, and it does research for us, and takes pictures for us, and maps out the ground. Yeah. Well, a big question everyone has asked about Mars is there life there? What'd you say? You've met some Martians? Chomsky, I don't think you've really met some aliens from Mars. But one very important thing, like we've said about Earth, is that you need water to have life living there. And a Mars rover found evidence that there was frozen water underneath the ground on Mars. Isn't that interesting? Yeah, and there's probably at some point in the past that there actually was real water on Mars. Oh, so why can't we go live there? Well, it's a little complicated because remember we said on Earth, the atmosphere, which protects Earth, actually has enough oxygen in it for us to breathe. Well, Mars does have an atmosphere, but it's not like ours. And there's not enough oxygen in the air for us to breathe, so you'd have to breathe with a spacesuit. That's right. So what are some other things we know about Mars? Well, Mars is half the size of Earth. Is that interesting? Yep, so it's a smaller planet. And what'd you ask? How's the weather on Mars? Well, that's an interesting question because it doesn't rain there. So that sounds good, right? No rain the whole year. But because of that, it makes things kind of difficult. And there's also some pretty bad dust storms. There's so much dust and dirt on Mars that some storms last for months. Yeah, imagine having a storm here on Earth that lasts from the springtime to the end of fall. Wow, so we learned a lot about Mars today, Chomsky. You picked a great topic. Should we review a little bit for everyone at home? Well, Mars is the fourth planet, right after Earth. And yeah, hey, maybe we'll travel there one day. And it's called the red planet because of the dirt and rocks that are red and make it look red. And we know some other things, like we have some machinery there, the Mars Rover, that's exploring it for us. And we know that, hey, we're planning a trip there one day. That's right, hopefully someone will build the right rocket ship and take people there. What'd you say? You want to go on an adventure to Mars? Chumsky. Actually, it's not a bad idea. Maybe we'll take one of our own rocket ships and go on an adventure to Mars. Wouldn't that be great? Yeah, alright everybody. So, we learned a very interesting topic about the red planet today. And remember, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if there's other planets you'd like us to explore. Yeah. And we'll catch you next time on Chumsky Bear Education.